I've seen arts organizations work hard to hone mission statements and values. I've also seen individual artists ponder their own personal purpose and values as well. And these two seem like separate endeavors on two different tracks. Yet, the best leaders find their effectiveness at the convergence of the two. And what if that's the zone where we shine? Magic can happen in that zone, where motivation spikes naturally, where alignment equals ease and speed, and where fulfillment becomes our primary metric of success. When we focus only on the organization's purpose or only on the individual's purpose, we experience more friction and suffer from a limited supply of motivation. So, how do we get to that magic zone? Here are 4 steps. 1. Articulate your organization's purpose. Gain clarity on what you stand for and who your work serves. 2. Seek the right people. Use your purpose to attract people who resonate with it. 3. Discover their purpose. Help them uncover what they stand for and why they do their work. And 4. Prioritize projects in this magic zone. Maybe it's an outreach event that lets your principal clarinetist explore their passion for cooking while also serving your audience engagement goals. Now, perfect alignment isn't always possible or beneficial. Sometimes we may want tension that pushes us forward to innovate. But first, we must start and lay the groundwork. So, how could you find your effectiveness as an arts leader in the magic zone? My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas to help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider signing up in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you, and have a great day.